Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let
Pero
me explain, ma'am. Let me explain
sa
first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes, yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let
eh.
me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival
Parang
based
hindi
on...
yung gano'n ang dating sa amin eh. Ang
That is-
pagkaintindi
that is
namin,
the whole
apatan ng
truth, ma'am.
plano.
That, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan ha.
Who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there. Secretary Anyo was there too. And the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira. I stand by that, ma'am. Last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chidoro was working out of his office.
Eh, napakaliwanag po ng sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo. Wala
Secretary
namang
Anyo, of course,
mapakiyaw-kiyaw dun sa
yes,
sinabi.
ma'am.
Napakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung nagsalita
Yes, ma'am.
sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Eh, sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
Walang executive
I
privilege kasi binunyag na
I
ninyo sa
must
TV.
state it very